Desperado, many, mommy go. Balotelli, ladies taking me photo.
Okay.
Paparazzi.
Hey. How do you want South Africans to receive this album in particular?
I want them to enjoy it. I want them to play it to enjoy themselves. You know what I mean?
What is it? Next time, my name is Kay Mas, Kay Kanza, Kay Sila Mukan's child. Like any other day, we are outside, but today with himself, the very international artist Shallipopi. How are you doing today?
I'm good. What's up? What's poppin'?
Hey man, it's popping in. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. What's poppin'?
How's it been?
It's been great, man. It's been a journey. It's been long.
You are launching your album today in South Africa. Why was it important for you to launch this album in South Africa?
Well, I wanted to launch the album in South Africa.
Why was it important for you to do that?
Oh, yeah. I have a lot of fans here. So I wanted to give them something, you know? Don't want to make them feel left out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people from South Africa might know you from your very famous track, which is Lao the second featuring Burna Boy. And I saw that on this album you have Laho the third. Why did you decide to do that?
Oh yeah, that's to reach a wider market. That's a Spanish remix.
Oh.
To reach the market that's not English, that's not we, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Different set of people, so.
I hear you. You also mentioned that this album took you at least a year to make with sleepless nights. Why did you decide to make this album and who exactly did you make it for?
I made it for myself and my family, you know, to elevate myself, you know.
Oracle is a very interesting name.
For sure, I think it is.
Why Oracle?
It's just a mixture of aura and oracle. Yeah, I mean, blended.
Okay, I think it's standard procedure that you're in South Africa and you gotta hit us with your line from Lao the second.
From Lao?
Yes.
What you say?
Please leave us with a verse, your verse from Lao the second.
Well, supposed to what? I didn't hear you.
The verse, your verse from your song Lao. Yes, can you please leave us, sing us something like.
Escalidizi.
Pardon?
Escalidizi?
Like a verse, like you can sing any other song of yours.
Okay, I should sing a song of mine that's not Lao.
No, that is Lao.
I should sing Lao for you?
Yes.
Okay, now you are talking. Okay. Desperado, many, my amigo.
So you're talking though. That's
I was literally talking on the track. What are you talking about?
Okay, but like, you know, give us some swag. Yeah.
Desperado, many, my amigo.
Hey.
Balotelli, ladies taking me photo.
Okay.
Paparazzi.
Hey.
Thank
you so much, man. How do you want South Africans to receive this album in particular?
I want them to enjoy it. I want them to play it to enjoy themselves. You know what I mean? Not for